Welcome back, guys. What's up? I'm here with Julia here today. Same packaging as last time. So what I got in today's package was, all right, I have a goodie bag here. I have a pair of lashes. These look really nice. I think I'm actually going to put these on today. Those are nice. I got a wig cap. I got a scarf. It looks pretty nice. Oh, and I got 4 of these clips. So that's what came in the goodie bag. And then for today's hair, I got some brown curly hair. This is today's wig, guys. It's nice and pre-plucked. That's the first thing I noticed. It's a 24-inch curly hair. I'm going to put the density and all that good stuff in the description box, so please go ahead and check it out. I love this. It's really nicely pre-plucked. I like that. It's a 13x4 lace front, and inside has a total of 3 combs and adjustable straps in the back. It's very full and nice. The luster is pretty. The curls are very nice and defined. I can't wait to do like a juicy wet curly look on this. I went ahead and slip on the wig. As I said before, I really do like the hairline. It's not like deeply pre-plucked, but it is nice enough. As you can see, I went ahead and removed the excess lace because we don't want that in our eyes. And I was just measuring up, you know, the hairline portion. I removed the excess as usual, and today I'm doing a glue install. Taking my current favorite glue. Any glue that you prefer, go ahead and use it. And I went in and cleansed the area. Now, if you follow up with me over here on my main channel, you would have seen me mention this glue quite a bit, and I've been loving it so much. So that's what I'm using for today's install. I did 3 layers of glue, by the way, because I wanted it to be super durable. So, you know, if I didn't want it, you know, to last as long, I'd probably just do a layer or just 2. But if I want it to, you know, go a little bit longer, then I usually do 3 layers, which is pretty strong. That's a strong hold. And I just, as you can see, I'm using the rat tail part of my comb to spread everything out, kind of even it out, because you don't want lumps. That way it won't dry down and look, you know, flawless. When you're supposed to lay the lace, you have to make sure that it's clear before you lay your lace down. Any lace glue, that's pretty much like the case. Like, if you lay the lace before it gets like tacky and clear, then it's going to look gunky and white, and you don't want that. So yeah, so once I'm finished with, you know, applying 3 layers of the glue, I go in and I use my comb to kind of just press everything in, as well as my blow dryer, which you'll see in a bit, which is on cool air. I've never laid my wigs with the dryer being on heat because, you know, past experience, I know that it won't stick.
Feel uninvited, left home in West LA, I'm not excited, so uninspired, on my way to play the bay while you're alone.
So once I'm done with, you know, laying the next side, which I didn't bother to show because it's the same thing that I repeated, I pretty much lay everything and I go over the edges to see where it's laying. And as you can see here, I just applied a little bit of glue in that area to lay it down. So that's usually what I do for any area where it's not necessarily sticking. So initially I thought that I was going to do like a lot of baby hairs today, but I ended up not feeling that anymore. So I just did my regular swoops, but I wanted like sparse swoops in the front. So as you can see, it's not a lot of hairs that I took out there. It's just a sparse swoop. And I did like a juicy sideburn kind of action. So that's how that looks. It's laying so nicely. Okay, so now for styling, now that we're done with application, I decided that I wanted to do a center part, right? But not with everything falling down like in my face. I didn't want any hair to be in my face. So what I did, initially I thought that, you know, I would do the swoop with this, but I said, nah, I'm not gonna do that. So I said part it in the center, and then I'll pretty much just take the 2 front pieces and lay them really flat and sleek, and that's exactly what I'm doing here. I took my wax stick in combination with a little bit of gel, some water, got to be spray, and as you can see, I'm using my hot comb there, and I laid this pretty flat and use a scrunchie to tie them together at the back portion of my head, and I really liked how it came out. So you know, it would give that nice sleek look in the front. It felt, I love how together it looked, you know. I really like it. And then I moved on to pronouncing the parting with some concealer. Yeah.
This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her.
Okay guys, so I did get a little extra glammed today. So now what I'm gonna do is, you could definitely go ahead. I know a lot of people will actually love the volume and the look of this. It's giving me Beyonce, it's giving me Diana Ross with the volume, but I'm gonna do the wet look. I want juicy curls, but you could definitely do this. And you saw that I yeah, the red lip, being bold today. So you know, the regular, I get my spray bottle with water and conditioner and my brush.
Summer, just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me more.
So I'm all done with giving this wig the wet look, and I didn't want it in my face. That's why I did these two pieces to the back. It looks really good. The lace, everything looks amazing. It's very secure. It was easy. It was pretty easy, fairly easy to install. It did have shedding a little bit more than I would like. So be mindful if you're gonna wear this for a prolonged period to detangle it every day. You want a wig or a texture like this to get too tangled, because when you start to detangle it, it will lose a lot of hair. So be mindful of that, but it looks really good. I love how it came together. Let me know what you guys think about it down below in the comments section. Also, don't forget to go ahead and check out my description box, as mentioned before, for the direct link to this wig if you're interested in it, and all the specs. So that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, bye.